How to buy ZCash crypto on IQ option. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy ZCash crypto in easy fast way with IQ option app. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go here to this symbol right here, click on add, and then go down and choose crypto down below, and now search for ZCash. As you can see, here is it. If you didn't find it here, just click on the search bar and then and then click on it like this and choose the quantity you want, like 1000 or 10,000 or whatever you want. Then click buy and everything will be done. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.